Namaste students, hope you all are doing well at home. Again I am in front of you with my next video on the same topic, voices. I have taught you each and every topic and how to change the sentences of active voice into passive voice in my previous videos, but in this video I will teach you how to change the imperative sentence into passive voice. So the first I have written on the board, if imperative sentence begins with order and command, then what's the sentences will be changed into passive voice on the basis of this formula. Let plus main word means the subject, then plus be, then main verb means V3, third form of the verb. This is the rule in passive voice, and then the other words whichever come. If I will give you example, open the door. Open the door. How you will change? First of all, what formula I have written? Let the door means the door is the subject. I have written let main word means the door is the main word. This is the subject. Let the door. Then after that be. So add be here. Let the door be. And open is the third form. Let the door be opened. Be opened. Third form of the verb. No other word is given. But if in any sentence any other word will be given, then you will write the other word same as it is here. This is the pattern to change the imperative sentence into passive voice. Some students will ask, sir, what are imperative sentence? Imperative sentence means in which subject is in front of your eyes. In front of your eyes. If I am saying open the door, to whom I am saying open the door, means the subject is sitting in front of my eyes. And if I say switch on the light, I will write here, let me erase first, then I will teach you how to change switch on the lights. Switch on the lights. Full stop. Switch on the lights. So switch on the lights means switch on the lights, to whom I am saying switch on the lights. The subject is in front of my eyes. So that is imperative sentence. So how you will change? First of all, let. The main word is the lights. Let the lights. After that be switched on. Let the lights be switched on. Preposition is given. In my previous video I have told you that if any preposition is given with the verb, it will remain attached with it. You are not going to change it. Switched on. So let the light be switched on. And the next sentence I am going to write for you, inform the police of the crime. Inform the police of the crime. If I write inform the police of the crime. Inform the police of the crime. First of all, you know that what is the main subject? The police. The police is the main subject. And how you will change? First of all, let the police. Let the police. After that, be. I have written here be. Let the police be informed. Third form of the verb. Inform is the main verb. Then informed. And after that, I have written here other words. So of the crime is the other words in the sentence. You will write them here. So of the crime, this way. So let the police be informed of the crime. Don't insult the poor. Don't insult the poor. If I will write, don't insult the poor. Don't insult the poor. Don't insult the poor. So first of all, negative is there. Don't insult the poor. ना करो, गरीब की बेइज्जती ना करो. Negative sentence is there. So how you will change? Let. It will remain as it is. Let the poor is the main. Let the poor. After that, don't. So we have to, you know that in active if sentence in active voice is negative or interrogative, we will keep it interrogative and negative in passive voice also. If it is negative sentence, so let the poor. After that we will add be, but before that we have to add not be insulted. Let don't insult the poor. Let the poor not be insulted. Turn her out. If I will write turn her out. Let her be turned out. T-U-R-N-E-D and out. Let her be turned out. So these are the sentences. If I write one more sentence, I am going to write help the poor. Help. Here, help the poor. How you will change? Let the poor. Let the poor. After that, be. Let the poor be helped. Let the poor be helped. On the basis of this, first of all, I have used let. After that, main subject is the poor. I have written the poor. After that, be. I have added be and third form of the verb help. So, if imperative sentence, if advice is given, first of all, let me erase it. Then I will tell you in imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, if advice is given sometime, then how you will change the sentences into passive voice? How you will change the sentences into passive voice? In imperative sentences, if advice is given in the active, in imperative sentences, if advice is given in active sentence, then the sentence will be changed into passive voice on the basis of structure given below. On the basis of structure given that I am going to write for you. The structure is, what the structure for it? The structure is if I write that love your country, on the note structure I have written structure or formula love your country. On the basis of examples, note structure I have to write here examples, not structure, examples given below. So love your country. Love your country. I have written one example for you. And next is don't insult the poor. If I have already written it, don't insult the poor. Negative sentence is there. Don't insult the poor. Respect your elders. I will write respect your elders. These are the three sentences I have written. Respect your elders, love your country, don't insult the poor, respect your elders. So how you will change? Main word, subject. I am going to write the formula here. First of all, let me change it, then I will write the formula for you. The main word is your country. The main word is your country. Your country should be is very simple. Your country should be loved. Very simple. The main word. So how you will write? Main word. Main word means main subject. Main subject plus should be. Plus should be. And plus MV3. Clear to? Plus MV3. Plus if any object is given, then you can change it. Next is don't insert the poor. I have already changed it. Don't insert the poor. So the poor should not be insulted. The poor should not be insulted. Same is the case. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. Your elders should be respected. Your elders should be respected. Your elders should be respected. And if imperative sentence starts with please and kindly, then how to change them? I will teach you how to change them. If, let me read it first. If imperative sentence begins with please and kindly, then how to change them? If imperative sentence begins with respect and please and kindly and express request in the sentence, then the sentences are changed into passive voice. If imperative sentence begins with please and kindly, please and kindly, and expresses request, then on which formula, on the basis of which formula you are going to change it, then you are requested to, you will change you are requested to plus main verb with third form. MV means main verb and third form. Main verb third form plus object, that is if it is given. If it is given, main verb plus you are requested. Listen to me. You know that when you read a sentence already kindly and please is given, it means you are making a request. Obviously you will understand, you got it. And so how you will say please give me a book? If I please give me a book. Please give me a book. Go according to this formula. You are requested to give me a book. 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 Listen to me first of all. You are requested to plus third form of the verb, and you are requested to give me a book. Well, you are requested to is given and third form is given, and so you please sit down. If I write please sit down, please sit down, then you are requested to sit down. You are requested to sit down. You are requested to sit down. So how to change? How to change means take your seat please. If I say take your seat please, take your seat please. Take your seat please. Then how to change? You are requested to take your seat. you are requested to take your seat. So this is the pattern to change the imperative sentences in which please and kindly is given. Then how to change another if imperative sentences starts with let plus indirect object. Let me read it first. If imperative sentence starts with let me raise, then if imperative sentence starts with let plus indirect, if imperative sentence starts with let plus indirect object. Now I have written indirect object, but students will say that what is the indirect object plus main verb plus direct object While giving example, I will teach you what is direct object and what is indirect object, and the sentences will be changed on the following structure. Let plus direct object. Let plus direct object will come here. Direct object. Let plus, this is let plus direct object plus B plus third form of the verb plus indirect object This is the formula you need to keep in mind. I am telling let if the sentence starts with let plus indirect object. Let me do this work. Listen, if I write let me do this work. Let me do this work, and let her sing a song. If I say let her sing a song. If I listen to me, what is direct object? Let. Indirect object let means do this. This what? This work. This work you have to do means work is the indirect object. Let her sing. This is complete sentence. Let her sing a song. A song is the indirect object of the verb. So how to change? Let her sing a song. So this the formula is let. Let will remain as it is. Let plus direct object. Let this work. Let this work plus B. B is given B. Third form of the verb. Third form, let this work be done. And after that by. And then the indirect object is me. Sorry, let me do this work. So this is the direct object of the verb. Let this work be done by me. Let her sing a song. So a song is also the direct object. Then how you change? Let plus let a song. After that be. Third form of the verb sung by her. And full stop. Let a song be sung by her. If sentence starts with let plus indirect object plus third form of the verb plus direct object plus direct object, then you will change it on the pattern let plus direct object plus B plus here it will the main first form will not come. The first form only here it is V1, not third form of the verb. Sorry, this is by mistake I have written here. In active voice you will find the first form, and in a passive voice in the sentences that begins with let you will change it with this pattern. And if in some sentences us is used, if in some sentences, let me erase it completely. If in some sentences us is used immediately after let. In some sentences let us is used immediately after let, then how to change them into passive voice? This is also a very good question that how you will change them into passive voice. If I will, let me write it first of all. If in any sentence, if in any sentence, us is given immediately after, immediately after let, then how to change them into passive voice, how to change them into passive voice. How you will change them? If us is given immediately after let, then how you will change them? Let me write some. Let us work. Let us work. Let us work. Let is given, us is given, and the verb is given. How you will change? So it is suggested. This is the word. This is the sentence. It is suggested to be. It is suggested that we should work. It is suggested that we should work. It is suggested that we should. This is the pattern. This will remain the pattern. If after let us is given, then how you will change? It is suggested that we should work. The next sentence. Let us play together. Let us play together. Let us play together. Then how you will change? It is suggested that we should play together. It is suggested that we should play together. It is suggested that we should play together. And let us sing. Then you have to change. This is for you to change. It is suggested that we should sing. And so there are some simple sentences. If I change sit down. Sit down means you can change it be seated. In this pattern, in this way, you can change be seated or you are ordered to sit. Next sentence is come here. This is the sentence. How you will change it? You are ordered to come. You are ordered to come. And work hard. You are not ordered. Work hard is an advice. So you are ordered to work hard. So if active sentence, next rule is if active sentence is based on the structure subject plus, let me erase it first. If active sentence is based on the structure subject plus modal verb, modal auxiliary verb, then how to change the sentences into passive voice? Let me erase it first clearly, then I will write it for you on the board. If the sentence is based on the structure modal plus, let me write, if active sentence is based on the structure, subject plus modal auxiliary plus verb change the sentences into verb means first form of the verb, because we know that after do, does and did and after modal we always use the first form of the verb. Then how to change them into passive voice? What will be the subject become the object? Passive subject or passive object plus modal verb plus be plus V3 plus passive object. This will be the pattern. Auxiliary verb plus be plus passive object. Then if I write he can speak English, he can speak English. Then how you will change? He can speak English. First of all, passive subject, English will come here. So only English. Can. Modal auxiliary, it will remain as it is, can. After that, be. Can be. Third form of the verb, speak, spoken. Spoken by him. Full stop. You can add by also here after by. And this is understood, I think. So English can be spoken by him. If I write I must help the poor. I must help the poor. I must help the poor. Then the poor must be helped. The poor must be helped by me, or you can write it as it is. The poor must be helped, and then after that by, and then me. The poor must be helped by me. The next thing, we should love our country. Let me raise it first. We should love our country. 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 Then our country. After that, modal verb is should. Our country should. After that, be. Then third form of the verb, loved. Our country should be loved by, we change it to us, then by us. This is a pattern. If active sentence is based on the structure, subject plus modal auxiliary and verb plus object. But if active sentence is based on the structure, let me raise it. If active sentence is based on the structure, what structure? Let me write it first. Then how you will change it into passive voice. If is based on the structure is MR. Based on the structure is MR. Was, were, has, have, had, plus. Listen to me. These are the helping verbs used in all the tenses. Plus, infinitive means 2 plus V1 means 2 plus V1 plus object. You can add subject also here. Subject plus is MR plus. And then how to change the sentences. Into passive voice. I am to write a book. If I will write, I am to write a book. I am to write a book. How you will change this sentence into passive voice? First of all, book will come here. A book. After the book, we will use is, because this is singular. A book is to be. A given a book is to be written. Is to be written by me. A book is to be written by me. So this is the thing you need to keep in mind. And he is to read the Upanishad. He is to read the Upanishad. He is to read the Upanishad. So he is to read the Upanishad. Now the Upanishad is to be read by him. This is the pattern to change the sentence. If subject plus ismr plus was were, has, have and had, and infinitive 2 plus v1 is given. Listen, ismr, so n is given, 2 is given, infinitive 2 plus v1, 2 and v1 is the first form of the verb. Then object, a book is given. Object will become the subject, subject will become the object. A book is singular, that's why we use is, and with 2 we will add be. This is the thing you need to keep in mind. You need to focus on this only. And next sentence, they had to play badminton. If I write, they had to play badminton. Full stop. How you will change? Badminton had. So had is given. The badminton had to be played. Had to be played by them. Badminton had to be played by them. Today I have studied how to change the sentences in which infinitive 2 plus v1 is given. But this is not sufficient to change the sentences. In which infinitive 2 plus v1 is given. But you need to learn some more sentences, some more new patterns, how to change the sentences in which infinitives are given. But we will complete the rest of the things that are still left to touch each and every corner, to touch each and every sentence of active and passive. We will learn the sentences into my next video. Till then you have to watch this video. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. Till then, stay safe, have a nice day.